Do you feel lost when it comes to managing money, finding the right financial advisor? And I know it could be challenging, but before I continue, I just want to say this video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. So I want to let you know that if you're confused about, where to start with managing your money, you don't have to do it alone. A good financial advisor can help you plan your future and make smart choices. But how do you find the best one for you? Okay, so we're gonna break it down, okay? Step one, you gotta know what you need. So what do I mean by that? Different financial advisors do different things. Some help with savings, others help with investing. So it's important to understand what you need so that you can find somebody who can really help. Okay, so ask yourself that question. And if you want help with saving money, look for a planner like Facet Wealth. Okay, I'll put the name in the description. So check them, or Personal Capital. That's another one who offers personalized financial advice. Very good, both very recommended. Step two, you're going to check for an experienced and trustworthiness person. Always check, how much an expense is, for an advisor. Look for reviews, ask friends for recommendations. Companies like Vanguard or Betterment, okay? They have great reputations and they provide a lot of experience with trustworthy advice. And you can also check on the Financial Independence channel on YouTube. That's another good one for you there, where experts discuss financial planning and give real world tips. Step three, you're gonna ask questions. So don't be afraid to ask an advisor questions about how they can help you, okay? They're gonna make you understand. Sometimes they think that you just automatically know things because they know things. Dave Ramsey's YouTube channel, okay? Another one I'll leave in the description. It's a great place to find financial advice on asking the right questions for financial success. So look, now's the time to take control of your future. And if this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you want. I love you.